Next topic is increasing and decreasing function. Okay. Now we know that f dash of c is derivative of function at point c. Now we can calculate f dash of c using definition, that is limit of function f of c plus h minus f of c by h when h is tending towards 0. Okay, that is nothing but derivative of function f at point c. Now if this derivative, that f dash of c, if it is greater than 0, then the function f of x increases as x increases while passing through c, and the curve y equals to f of x rises from the left to right. Okay, if we draw it, we can. So if this is the point, okay, so while passing through this point, it will go on increasing as x will increase. This is your x, this is your y. So as x will increase, and suppose this is your c, as this curve will pass through this point c, the curve will go on increasing. Okay, and if f dash of c is less than 0, then as it passes through this point c, and as x increases, it will go on decreasing. Okay, so this is an increasing function, this is a decreasing function. Now how do we check whether it is increasing or decreasing? We just have to find f dash of c, okay, derivative at that particular point. If derivative at that particular point is greater than 0, we can say function is increasing. If derivative at the particular point is less than 0, we can say function is decreasing at that particular point. Let's look at this example. If y is given as 1 upon x plus 4, we need to show that y is decreasing for all positive values of x. So we have to show here it is this function, particular function is decreasing for all positive values of x. Okay. So let me take this y as f of x, and it is given as 1 upon x plus 4. Now this 1 upon x plus 4, we can write it as x plus 4 raised to power minus 1. Now we need to find derivative of this y with respect to x, or we can even write this as derivative of f dash of x with respect to x. So it is nothing but derivative of function x plus 4 raised to power minus 1 with respect to x. Okay. Now we know that derivative of any power function, that is x raised to power n, is n times x raised to power n minus 1. Okay. Similarly, your power is minus 1, so derivative of this function is minus 1 x plus 4 raised to power minus 1 and derivative of the function x plus 4. Okay. This will be minus 1 x plus 4 raised to power minus 2, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 4 is 0. So we can write this as minus 1 upon x plus 4 square. This is derivative of function, this is f of x. So f dash of x is minus 1 x plus 4 square. Now we need to show that this is decreasing for all the values of x. Now what we are getting, f dash of x? F dash of x is minus 1 upon x plus 4 square. Now no matter which value we are substituting here, okay, this f dash of x, value of f dash of x will be always less than 0. Like for example, suppose I am substituting 1, this will be minus 1 upon 5 square. If I am substituting, okay, let me substitute and show you. Suppose I am substituting 1, f dash of 1. So this will be minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, 5 square. That is minus 1 upon 25. Suppose I am substituting minus 1. This will be minus 1 plus 4 square. This will be minus 1 plus 4 is 3. This will be 3 square, so minus 1 upon 9. So this value will be always positive because we have square here. No matter what value you are going to take here, whether positive or negative, this will be always positive. Now since this is positive and we have negative sign here, f dash of x will be always less than 0 for all x. Okay? Hence we are done. So for all x, f dash of x is always less than 0 since x plus 4 square is always greater than 0. Now let's look at the next problem. If f of x is given as 2x cube minus 9x square minus 24 plus 69, we need to find the value of x for which the function is increasing as well as for which the function will be decreasing. So basically what we have to find here, we have to find values of x for which this function is going to be an increasing function and for which values of x it is going to be a decreasing function. Okay. So what is function given? F of x is given as 2x cube minus 9x square minus 24x plus 69. Okay. So when is a function increasing? F is increasing if derivative of f is greater than 0 at that particular x. Okay. And f is decreasing if derivative of f is less than 0 for that particular x. Let's find for which values it is going to be increasing. So first thing is we need to find f dash of x, that is derivative of the function. Okay. Now 2 is a constant, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay. And x n minus 1. Minus 9 is a constant, derivative of x square is 2x. Minus 24 is a constant, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 69 is 0. So we can write this as 6x square minus 18x minus 24. So our f dash of x is 6x square minus 18x minus 24. Now if I am taking 6 common, what we will get is x square minus 3x minus 4. This is our f dash of x. Okay. Now this 6 is always positive, so it does not matter. So we just have to check this particular function. Okay. So here we got f dash of x, right? So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is 6 times x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay. So let's find roots of this first. So what we can do is we can equate this to 0 and find roots of this particular equation. So we just have to find roots of this. X square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So we can write this as x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equals to 0. So this can be written as x minus 4 plus 1, x minus 4 equals to 0. So what we are getting is x minus 4 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So the roots are 4 and minus 1. Okay. So let's check at minus 1. F of now we know that at 4 and at minus 1 our function is going to be 0. Okay. Now we have to check at which points it is going to be increasing and at which points it is going to be decreasing. So let me take point lesser than minus 1. Let me take minus 2. So f dash of minus 2. So here we have to substitute minus 2. So 6 is not going to make any difference. This minus 2 square is 4 minus this will be plus 6 minus 4. So this 4 will get cancelled. What we are getting is 36, which is greater than 0. It means for x less than minus 1 function f is increasing. Okay. Now let's check for 0, or we will check for greater than 4. So let me take 5. So it will be 6, 5 square is 25 minus 15 minus 4. So it is 6 minus 20, into 25 minus 19 is 6 into 4. 25 minus 19, 6. So this is 36, which is greater than 0. Again, for x greater than 4, function is increasing. Now let's check in between minus 1 and 4. So this is minus 1. Let's assume 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For all these values, okay, it is increasing. For again all these values the function is increasing. Let's check in between. So let me take 0, f of 0. So this will be 6, 0 minus 0 minus 4. So 6 into minus 4 is minus 24, which is less than 0. So here it is decreasing. Let me take another point 3. Let me check for f of 3. This will be 6, 3 square is 9. This will be 9 minus 4. Again this will get cancelled. So what we are getting is minus 24, which is less than 0. So for x in between minus 1 and 4, function is decreasing. So f is increasing for x less than minus 1 and for all x greater than 4, and decreasing for x in between minus 1 and 4. Okay.